This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace LED headlights. First, confirm your vehicle's specific LED bulb type, as compatibility is crucial for proper function. Next, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set, a socket wrench set, and protective gloves. Having the right equipment makes the process much smoother and helps prevent damage. Always double-check that your chosen LED bulbs are indeed compatible with your car's make and model before starting. Before you begin, park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine completely. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any accidental electrical issues during the replacement. Now, you'll need to access the headlight housing. Depending on your vehicle, this might involve opening the hood, or in some cases, you may need to partially remove the wheel fender liner or even the front bumper for full access. Now it's time to remove the old bulb. Carefully unplug the wiring harness connected to the existing halogen bulb. Then, gently remove the old bulb from its housing, often by twisting it counterclockwise or by releasing a spring clip. With the old bulb out, insert your new LED bulb into the socket. Make sure it's properly aligned and seated securely, as correct positioning is vital for an optimal beam pattern. Once the new LED bulbs are installed, reconnect your vehicle's battery and turn on the headlights to test their function. Check both low and high beams for proper illumination. Next, adjust the beam pattern against a flat wall to ensure correct alignment, preventing glare for oncoming drivers. This step is crucial for safety and optimal visibility. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Finally, reassemble any components you removed, like dust covers or fender liners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.